Welcome to our, it's like a talk show set in here. I feel
It
like
kind
Jimmy
of is.
Fallon.
You have the fanciest setup we've been in so far.
Where are the cups wwithout any coffee in them? That's
The
what
empty
we're
cups?
missing. The
Well,
empty cups.
We have
instead,
toothbrushes. You guys,
Instead.
Okay.
In
All
lieu of
right.
the
here you go.
cups.
Help yourself to
thanks.
that.
Appreciate it.
I want.
I would love a red one, actually.
You want a red one?
Yeah.
All right.
I just have, what are you saying by this?
I'm saying that your breath stinks.
You say
Okay.
artists usually come here with bad breath?
Stinky breath.
Really?
Junk in their
Stuff
teeth.
in their teeth.
No, I think this is just one of those random items. But
There you
at
go.
the same time, everybody wants one
Yeah.
Why not?
They're colorful.
because they're like, well,
Yeah.
why? Yeah, because
Yeah,
toothbrushes
very
are expensive, man. So, welcome, Ben Perry, of course, for joining us today.
Thanks
Thank
for
you.
having
Thanks
us.
for having
Good
us.
to be here.
Man, you guys are related. You must be so sick of each other.
You know, I mean, from time to time, we do think that the tour bus gets a little bit crowded with
Yeah.
the three of us, but you know, we get to go home and kind of have our group of friends and space it out. And I will say, even when we go home for a day off, we have dinner together. Like, we really are a close family.
Oh, you're making me sick.
We are.
It's like I have
It's the
5
truth.
siblings, and we're just like, get away, get away.
Oh, wow.
But you do seem like you're very together. But do you fight? Do you?
Not
And
too
what do you
much.
fight about?
It's really, I mean, not the important stuff, actually.
Juvenile
Right.
things.
Yeah, it's like creative decisions. We'll have disagreements, but it's all generally pointed in the same direction. I mean, the big thing is like whose show we're going to delete on DVR to save someone else's
Yeah.
or something
The
like
big one.
that.
I'm not gonna lie, we still kind of argue over the front seat. This happened between
We
the two
do.
of us today.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I mean, we are older than this and should not revert to this place. But I was like, Reed, I mean, I called it.
Well,
Right.
hold on.
Okay,
I
front
just have
seat.
to say, KP, Kimberly, she's got it in her head because she's the oldest of the three of
And
us
she
that
gets
she
perpetual
automatically
dibs.
gets the front seat.
It doesn't matter.
It
That's not
doesn't
how dibs
matter.
work.
You
I'm the
have a
girl.
certain amount of seconds to call shotgun,
Thank you.
and then that's it.
And it
And
doesn't
it ha-
last forever either.
Right.
You-
right. It's
You
just a
must not be
one-time-
the oldest in your family.
And,
Are you
I'm the
oldest?
youngest.
Okay, so
Yeah.
that makes sense.
So
You're
I
right, of
never
course.
got shotgun.
Youngest.
We're in the back every single
Yeah.
time. But it has to be in visual sight. You can't call it from a different room either.
Right.
So, there's a
Right.
whole bunch of rules to go
Yeah.
over. Of course, you guys are nominated too. Very excited for that.
We are, yes.
yeah.
Thanks so much for our song "Gentle on My Mind," which was, of course, the great Glenn Campbell song that we got to cover this
Yeah.
year in honor of his life and the documentary. And ironically, the first time that we ever played the song was with Glenn 2 years ago on the Grammys. So he was kind of like the matchmaker between us and the song, and really this
Full
Grammy
circle.
Oh my gosh.
nomination. So it's really special.
That has to be even more
Yeah.
emotional.
Yeah, totally.
So what's going on with you guys lately, though? I mean, it's been a minute since we've heard like an album from you. Right? It's been a couple years.
It
like
has, in
13,
April.
right? 2013, I
Yep.
think it was.
Yeah, we're actually writing and recording album number 3 right now. So deep in the throes of it all. But it
So
sounded
while
really
you're getting
cool.
stuff for this stuff, for the past, you're working on new. That's got to
right,
be tough.
yeah, it's kind of like an ever revolving door. But you know, we're loving it. We're having a really fun time, and it's sounding really fun and energetic. So
Yeah, there's a
we're
lot of-
enjoying it.
It's a very rambunctious project, and we're exploring new creators for the first time, co-creators, and so it feels like there's a real spirit of like jumping off, the cliff and just sort of flying.
Yeah.
So we're excited about it.
Good, good. And we're gonna get to see you guys also perform. I just found out about this Grammy show that's gonna be on TV on
Yes.
this. It's
The
the
Stevie
16th.
Wonder
Yes.
special, yeah.
Tell us about that. Tell me about
Well, we actually just finished rehearsals with the band, and they're incredible. So it's an energetic song. I don't know. Can we tell what we're
Yeah,
playing?
it's called "Haven't Done Nothing."
Haven't Done
and,
Nothing.
So
Yeah.
we're
I
gonna
will
try
say-
to channel our inner Steve.
Yes, and Neil has a moment where he just wails at this one part, and like he had been
Don't give it
practicing
away.
well, but he had been practicing this one part, and so he just kind of went into rehearsals, doing it under the radar, hoping someone would hear it.
And they did. So this is gonna be
So-
like on all spotlights on Neil.
It's like one of those
moment.
like glorious, the clouds open
Yeah.
up.
It's like
that
I'm going to
type
be on a
of thing.
riser by myself, and it's just going to
Yeah,
lift up into the
you know.
air.
We're gonna
Right
have
up in
like a
the clouds.
Beyonce moment. He's gonna come in
basically.
like from the top, like Mission
Yeah,
Impossible.
fans blowing
Kinda-
everything.
That
I'm
Beyonce
Beyonce.
moment. The one thing he's always wanted.
Yeah.
I'm
Yeah,
Beyonce.
I'm thinking like the Tom Cruise Mission Impossible kind of come in on a rope and just start grabbing stuff and do that. Well, that's gonna be fun. Yeah, it's the Grammy tribute show. Will be on the 16th. Ben Perry, also Ariana Grande, Lady Gaga, John Legend, all part of that. So that's gonna be fun. But straight to the Grammys. Good luck to you guys,
Thank
and
you.
so
please
much.
come by, put out some new stuff, and then come by and visit us at
Totally
MyFM,
will.
Do that.
please,
Thanks
Let's
so
do
so we
much.
can blast that stuff out there and stop fighting.
All right,
Don't
let's
worry.
do this.
We'll stop.
Take care.
No, that was fun, man. You guys are great. Come by anytime.